Imagine waking up one day with no financial stress, no debt, no worries about bills, just complete financial freedom. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that building wealth from zero is not only possible, but actually follows a predictable process? This isn't about luck, inheritance, or get-rich-quick schemes. It's about understanding how money works, how to leverage opportunities, and how to create value that the world is willing to pay for. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to building wealth, even if you're starting from nothing. So, let's not waste any time. Let's begin. Step 1. Understanding the wealth equation. Wealth doesn't come from working harder. It comes from understanding money. There's a basic formula that wealthy people follow, whether they know it or not. Wealth equals income minus expenses plus investments. Let's break it down. Income equals money you earn from your job, business, or investments. Expenses, the money you spend on living costs. Investments, money that grows and works for you over time. The goal? Increase income, reduce unnecessary expenses, and invest the difference. Sounds simple, right? But how do you actually do it? Let's dive in. Step 2. Increasing your income. If you want to build wealth, you must increase your income. Here's how. 1. Maximize your current job. Learn high-value skills that make you irreplaceable. Negotiate a higher salary. Most people never ask. Find side gigs to supplement your income. 2. Start a profitable side hustle. Freelancing, consulting, e-commerce, and content creation are all scalable. The internet has endless opportunities to make money. 3. Build a business. Businesses generate unlimited income potential. Solve a real problem and money will follow. But making more money is just one part of the equation. Let's move to the next step. Step 3. Controlling your expenses. The truth is, you can't out-earn bad spending habits. Even if you make a lot of money, spending it all will keep you broke. Here's how to control your expenses. Track every dollar you spend. Cut unnecessary costs, subscriptions, eating out, impulsive shopping. Live below your means, but never below your potential. Wealthy people focus on building assets, not increasing expenses. Once your income is growing and your expenses are under control, it's time for the most important step. Step 4. Investing for long-term wealth. Wealth isn't built by saving alone. It's built by investing. If you're not investing, you're losing money to inflation. Here's how to invest smartly. Stock market. Invest in index funds for long-term growth. Real estate. Buy rental properties that generate passive income. Business and skills. The best investment is always in yourself. The earlier you start, the faster your money grows. Compounding is the secret to building wealth. Step 5. The wealth mindset. Wealth is not just about money, it's about mindset. If you believe wealth is impossible, you'll never get there. Rich people think differently. They see opportunities, not obstacles. They take calculated risks. They surround themselves with winners. You become what you consistently think and do. Take action today. Now you have the blueprint, but knowledge alone won't make you rich. Action will. So here's your challenge. 1. Find one way to increase your income. 2. Cut one unnecessary expense. 3. Start investing, even if it's a small amount. These small steps will lead to massive results over time. Are you ready to build wealth from zero? Let me know in the comments. What's your first step toward financial freedom? If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More life-changing content is coming your way. Thank you for watching. Stay smart, stay ambitious, and keep building wealth.